Hey guys, welcome to the sixth lesson of the Tabla lesson series. We hope you are excited. Previously, we have learned katete, natete, katete, natete. In today's lesson, we are going to learn a new bowl. We hope you have practiced the previous lesson perfectly. Therefore, before we begin, if you are new to this channel, then go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon so that you will not miss any updates when we upload a new video. Let's get started. In today's lesson, the bowl will be ghe, ge, te, te, ke, ke, te, te. It is important to note that these bowls are very important to set your fingers with your tabla. Therefore, practice very precisely. Let's see how to play it. Well, that's how it should be done. And with this, we are ending today's 6th lesson here. If you have any queries, then feel free to contact us. You'll get the contact details down in the description. If you have liked today's video, then don't forget to drop a like to it and share it with your family and friends. Tune in with us in the 7th lesson in the Tabla lesson series. To be notified when we upload the next video, go and hit the subscribe button and push the bell icon. You can follow us over Facebook and Instagram for more updates. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.